guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna do an easy summer makeup. I'm gonna show you how to do more like a bronzy summer look for this summer. So this makeup that I'm gonna show you is very easy, it's very quick to do, and you really don't need that much product. So let's start. I already did my skincare. I have moisturizer, sunscreen, I have an eye cream and lip moisturizer too. You want to start with just prepping your skin. If you prep your skin, then we're good to start. I always start with my concealer. This is how I just do it. Okay, so I put a little bit here. Oh, by the way, I don't use foundation. I only use concealer under my eyes for the dark circles and then wherever I just want to highlight, but I don't use foundation of the under eyes. The most important thing. Then I go with the bronzer. I just lift the concealer like this because I like it to get a little bit dry before I blend it. And I'm gonna go with the bronzer, so I'm using this bronzer. This is a matte bronzer. This one is from NYX on my forehead. Okay. And then I just put here under the chin, and then here. I'm just shaping my jaw, basically. Okay. Then what I do is my mascara. Let me use this little mirror because the other one is like behind the camera and I really can't see. So I'm gonna do the curling. Now I'm gonna do the mascara. This one is from L'Oreal Paris and this one is the Unlimited mascara. So I really go to the root like that. I really go inside there and then just till the end. And I try to do it like up but to the side, so I get like a uplift effect. Okay, I think that's good. Also, you guys, as you can see, like it always happens to me that I get mascara all over my eyelids. Add some bronzer to the cheekbones. So I'm gonna use this thing. This is like a cream bronzer. So this is not powder. This is like a liquid bronzer, and this one is from NYX. A little bit here on my hand, so I can control how much I want to put on. So I'm gonna go with this brush, a little bit more for contour. So I go here. And then do the other side. Okay, now I'm gonna blend it. So it's just a little bit. You don't want to look like you have too much contour going on. Now what? Now that I'm recording how to do the makeup, like it gets a little bit longer. When I always do my makeup, what I do to be faster, so I know what I did already, is that I put the things I used already away from my face. Now I'm gonna clean the mascara that is on my eyelids. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna blend the concealer. I'm gonna use this sponge and I put a little bit of water, and then I start here. I start blending this part. Okay. And then here around the nose, because usually this part that I put the concealer are darker, so it's just to give it a little bit of light highlights. Okay, And then the under eyes. And then a little bit also on the eyelids from the residue. Okay. So I go till here. As you can see, I really go down here too. So it blends a little bit more with the whole face, because you really don't want to see like this really light, really white, and then here like really bronze, because it's very noticeable in the pictures. Okay, so just go till here with the concealer. Okay, this same bronzer I use for the forehead and the chin. So I'm gonna use this bronzer to contour a little bit the eyelids, like the bone here. So we're gonna contour a little bit the eye, just a little bit, don't go too much. So we're gonna go here. Can you see it? So you're gonna go on this bone here. And then here. And then a little bit to the outside, so it creates like a cat eye and uplift. There you go. We're gonna clean this after, so don't worry. Just elongate it. Leave your eyes open, because that way you're gonna see the bone exactly where you need to contour your eyes. And then we're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna get like a smaller brush. This one is a little bit smaller. So I'm gonna put a little bit too under the eye. You can see that, right? Yeah. Till the outside corner. And then till the inner corner of the water mark. Okay, now that I have this brush, I'm gonna finish my eyebrow. So I really don't fill my eyebrows, I just fill this part here, because I don't know if you can see it, I have a scar right there. That was when I was little. I was running with my twin brother, and we were just racing to see who was the first one to get to the fountain. He put his foot on me and I fell down, and this is what happened. So I'm gonna do a brown. I mixed these two browns for the eyebrow just to fill that scar that I have right there, because I have no hair. I'm just put a little bit there. And that is it. I don't fill anything else. If you want to fill your eyebrows, you can do that, like with this kind of brown colors, just really soft, don't overdo it. I'm gonna use this eyeliner. It really doesn't matter which eyeliner you use. You can also go without eyeliner. I sometimes do that. I just put the contouring with the bronzer and that's it. I don't put anything else. But sometimes if you want to pop a little bit more your eyes or give it like that eye cat look, a soft eye cat look, then you can do the eyeliner. Today I'm gonna do the eyeliner to show you. So this eyeliner is black but is like old, and the reason why I keep this one even though it's old is because it's a little bit, of course, dry, and I like that, so it's not that liquidy and it's not that strong looking. I like it to look softer. I do the eyeliner from the middle of the eye here on the top till the corner. Wish me luck, because I'm doing this with one hand. I usually go like this and like this. It helps. From here, from the middle, you barely can see it. It's really soft. And then you're gonna do like this line, just like a tiny line up like this. So lift your eyes. good. I needed to do that because I really need to do it good for you guys to see it. I'm gonna brush my eyebrows. I really love this one for the brows. This is from Glossier. This is the Boy Brow. It also has like a light color to fill your brows and then like a gel to hold it up. And I like to brush them up. So there you go. Oh, clean the contouring in the eyes. We're gonna clean it. I used like a small brush. I'm gonna use this one just to clean a little bit here. I put the brush here just a little bit. So you're gonna do like a straight line up like this. And also like that way you're creating that eye cut, that uplift in your eyes. Oh, brush. I usually do that like before the eyes, but I forgot. So we're gonna do the brush. I'm gonna use this. This is a lipstick, what I'm gonna use, and is this color. I'm trying to find like a better color. This is the one I have, so this is the one I'm using. So this is like a pink blush color. So it's like a lipstick, cream lipstick, and I'm gonna use it for brush. Because for summer it's better to use like cream, like liquid makeup is way better than using powder makeup because you're gonna feel lighter. It's not gonna cake on your face during summertime when you sweat. Don't be afraid to use like creams and liquid on your face. Just put a little bit like that on my cheek, and I'm gonna use my fingers and I'm gonna do it like this. I think I put too much. So I put here because usually the sun hits you right here. Okay, now I'm gonna use this. This is the Bennett tint from Benefit. This one you can use it for blush, you can use it for your lips. So I'm gonna mix this with the cream lipstick I just used, and I'm just gonna put a little bit here and then here. So now I'll go here and I just blend it. So now I'm gonna clean up the concealer. I use this sponge and I just put it here. I just go and clean a little bit here under the eye because we did the brush, we did the contouring on the eye, so we get like residue from that. So I go here inner corner because I really like this to be really light. Underneath the bronzer we did underneath the eye. Then here down. So it blends a little bit with the blush we did. Now the other eye. Now I put a little bit of highlighter like here in the middle of the eyelids and inner eyelids. So I'm gonna do that. This is also a liquid highlighter. This is a nude pink matte radiance highlighter. This one is also from Benefit and is called Dandelion Shine Band. So I use a small brush here on the middle. Ooh, that's a lot. In the middle. Now I'm gonna do the lips. For the lips, like, you can just leave it like that, just put some moisturizer. Sometimes I do that. Sometimes I do the Bennett tint, the one I use for the blush. You know, I just use like a tint, like a pinky neutral color for the lips, for a natural summer look. Today I'm gonna do the neutral one. So I love using lip liners. The trick is not to press it that hard, because then it will look strong. So you want like a soft look, then just put it there slightly. So I'm gonna do the shape of my lips first. So I go slightly because I don't want it to be that strong. Also, this lip liner is from, this is from Rimmel London, and this color is the tiramisu, I think. Yeah, tiramisu. And then I just fill it, doing my lips like this, and fill it like that, because I don't want to put too much, okay? I think that looks good, right? I just finished with a facial spray. Everything sets together. So that's the easy summer makeup. Trust me, it takes like 5 minutes, 6 minutes. So there you go. So these are the eyes. The lips. And then, you know, just have like a really light skin because you don't have foundation. Like, it's really soft. That's the makeup. That's the easy summer makeup. I hope you guys like it. As I told you before, you really don't need too much product to achieve this makeup. With just one product, with just a lipstick, you can pretty much do your whole face. Like, you can use the lipstick, of course, for the lips, you can use it for the blush, you can use it on the eyelids just to put a little bit of color, a pop of color, just to open them and to look brighter. Just mascara, concealer, and a little bit of glow, and you have the look. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you like the makeup. I hope you get to try it. Let me know if you like it, because I really want to know. Put it there in the comments below. Also, if you have any questions, put it there in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, so you don't miss any videos, and I will be seeing you in my next one. Mwah! Stay safe.